In this video we are going to focus on angle sum of a quadrilateral. Like a triangle, the interior angle sum of a quadrilateral is a fixed number. This is true for all quadrilaterals and all angles add up to 360 degrees. We're going to look at two quadrilaterals here and try and solve the value of x. The process is very similar to that of a triangle, but instead of starting with 180 degrees and using three angles in total, we're going to start with 360 degrees and use the four angles in total. So we're going to start with x degrees equals, because that's the unknown, and go 360 degrees minus the sum of the other angles given to us. So we can put in here 50 degrees plus 110 degrees plus 73 degrees and close the brackets. Working down the page, we leave the 360 and we calculate and we work these brackets because it's order of operation, so brackets come first. And if we add all of that up, we get 233 degrees. And now finally, the last calculation is 360 degrees minus 233 degrees, which is 127 degrees. Now, because we have just worked out the angle sum of a quadrilateral, we actually have to show that we understand what we're talking about and write the angle type. So, angle sum of a quadrilateral. Or if you wanted to, you could, like I did in the previous video for triangles, you could actually draw a square or a rectangle, but I think in this case it's best to write quadrilateral. The triangle one is fine, but I think I would choose quadrilateral, the word, rather than draw a square or a rectangle. The next one here on the right, again we're going to solve x. So we start with x degrees equals 360 degrees minus, open the bracket. We've been given three angles. We know that these little boxes here are 90 degrees, so I write those in. And now I'm going to put those all into the brackets and add them up. So 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 61 degrees and close the bracket. X degrees equals, I drop down the 360 degrees because I'm not using that yet, and I'm going to add these up because brackets come first. If I add these up, I get 241 degrees. And now, finally, I do my subtraction. 360 degrees minus 141 degrees is 119 degrees. And again, I would write this underneath here at the bottom because you must show the angle type that you have calculated.